Flight BA4102 for Glasgow is ready for boarding.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Wandering Nancy. I'll be sharing my recent experiences, hotels I've stayed at, food I've tasted, various encounters, and random thoughts. Welcome to join me in Wandering the World. Even before landing, I was filled with anticipation. After all, this is the hometown of Santa Claus, a fairy tale world in the Arctic Circle. But as the plane descended through thick clouds and touched down at Rovaniemi Airport, I realized our journey would be more challenging than expected. Outside the window, a blizzard was raging, with strong winds blowing snow across the runway, making everything look blurry. Though Santa Claus Village is only about a 10-minute drive from Rovaniemi Airport, the blizzard made the short journey much more difficult. As soon as we left the airport, our rental car was engulfed in swirling snow, and visibility was so low that we could barely see the road ahead. The roads were completely covered in snow. While Finland's road maintenance is excellent, the tires still slipped occasionally, making it feel like we could get stuck at any moment. After a challenging drive, we finally arrived at Santa Claus Village. No matter when you visit, it feels like a winter wonderland. Snow-covered landscapes, Christmas trees, fairy lights, and cozy wooden cabins. The village itself is not very large, with a visitor center at its heart and several snowy paths leading to different attractions. So, what can you do here? First of all, they have Santa Claus office. You can meet Santa Claus, take a photo, and receive a letter with an Arctic Circle stamp there. Then second, the Arctic Circle line. It's a marked point where you can officially cross the Arctic Circle. Third, Santa Claus post office. You can send postcards to yourself or friends with a special Arctic Circle postmark. Then there are various shops and restaurants. You can buy souvenirs, you can buy finished delicacies and handcraft goods. But the reality didn't quite match my expectations. There were so many tourists and every activity required a wait. The Santa Claus office was the most popular attraction, but when we arrived, Santa wasn't even there, which was really disappointing. The entire village felt overly commercialized, with souvenir shops at every turn. Instead of a magical wonderland, it felt more like a themed tourist attraction. After waiting in lines multiple times and realizing Santa wasn't even available, I decided on one meaningful experience that also required waiting: sending myself a postcard from Santa Claus post office. It had a unique Arctic Circle postmark, which felt like a more authentic keepsake than taking a staged photo with Santa. To be honest, I wouldn't really recommend Santa Claus Village. It does have an Arctic Circle atmosphere, but the heavy commercialization and crowds take away the magic. If you're traveling with the kids or if you truly love Christmas, you might still enjoy it. However, if you prefer a more authentic Arctic experience, I highly recommend spending more time in a remote glass cabin, going on an aurora hunt over a frozen lake, or exploring the untouched Lapland wilderness. In the next video, I'll take you to a hidden Arctic gem. Stay tuned. If you love real Arctic travel experiences, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.